Bonjour, this is Julian, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this French expression you say to your guests or whoever you are sharing a meal with before eating as a way to say enjoy your food. This is of course originally an expression from France where food has a revered importance, as you know, but it is commonly said all around the world as well. So how is it said in English and how is it said in French? Is it the same? In France, it is normally pronounced bon appétit. Bon appétit with a silent T at the end because it is at the end, therefore ignored in French, like in petit, where you don't say petite but rather petit. However, in English it is normally said in everyday life, bon appétit, bon appétit. So this is how to say it in French, and in English not quite the same. Here are more videos on how to pronounce useful words and expressions from French, including food words, because of course the world has borrowed quite a few of these from France. Bon appétit. Au revoir.